Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're showing you how to make this delicious pineapple drink. It's perfect for the summertime. So for this recipe, you will need a pineapple, a lime, strawberry syrup, but this is optional, and ice. So you're going to start off by slicing the top of your pineapple off and then taking all of its insides and putting that into a different bowl. You can go ahead and take the pineapple, the lime juice, and ice and blend that together thoroughly. And after it's all blended, you're pretty much done. Now you can go ahead and pour it into your pineapple if you'd like, or you can just pour it into a regular glass. Now you can go ahead and add in your strawberry syrup if you'd like, but once again, this is optional. And I'm not even kidding, guys, this is actually very, very delicious, and it's also good for your health. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day, everyone.